Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw Penguin Toad from the new Super Mario Bros. Galaxy movie. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Penguin Toad from the new Super Mario Galaxy movie, let's begin with the face. So let's start right here and let's begin by making a circle shape for the face. This is going to be like where the opening's going to be. Now, starting here, let's go ahead and make a little circle, and we'll color in most of it, leaving a little bit white. And we'll do that same thing over here. Make a small circle, color in most of it, leaving just a tiny bit white. Next, let's go ahead and make a nice little smile shape for the top of the mouth. Then we're just going to go down and up for the rest of it. Let's draw a sad face shape for the tongue. And we'll make a little line underneath here for his chin. Let's curve a line like this and a line like that just for his mouth. Now, let's draw right across the top with a nice big sad face shape. Then we're going to go up and down. That's going to be like the beak part of the penguin. And I'm just going to make one more little line like this. Now, starting here, let's make a nice big circle shape that's going to go around here. So we're just going to draw a really big circle shape that's going to come all the way around and meet back right here. Let's draw a half circle here, and let's draw a half circle here. Then let's draw a nice big smiley face shape for another half circle up there. Next, let's work on his little vest. Let's begin by drawing a line down here and a line down here. Let's bring this up at an angle on both sides. Then we're going to bring this up and this up. Let's go down and then up. Same thing here. Let's go down and then up. Now let's make his little flippers. So let's draw a line that's going to come out here. And we'll do that same thing. We'll draw a line that comes out here. We'll just kind of curve this down and up. And same thing here. We're just going to go down and up. Then we're just going to bring a little line down. I like to kind of curve it up and then bring it to here. Next, we'll draw a line down here and a line down here. Then for the feet, let's draw a line that comes up at an angle for each side. We'll make 1, 2, and 3 little points. Same thing here. We're going to make down and up, and then down. Next, we want to curve this and bring it up. Same thing here. Just kind of curve it and bring it up here. Then I'm just going to draw this little curve shape here, and the same thing here. Just kind of make it look a little bit 3D. Next, let's curve this in, and we'll curve this in for part of the leg. And then we'll just draw a little line across. The final step is going to be his belly. So let's make a line that curves up and down for the top of it. Then we're just going to go down and then up right here. And there you go. There is your drawing of Penguin Toad from the new Super Mario Galaxy movie. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.